How to fix blend not showing on Instagram in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your app store and then search here Instagram. Make sure you update your Instagram. If you can't update your Instagram, then firstly update your Instagram. After update your Instagram, then go back to your home screen and open your Instagram, and then go to your chats and open your chat. Now on top you can see two emojis. It's mean blend option. Now click on it and it will turn on your blend. The another way to fix your problem is open your settings and then click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now here you can find Instagram and then click on offload. Now again click on offload. After offload your app, then reinstall Instagram. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.